Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be analyzing a cryptocurrency called Shiba. Now stay with me till the end of this video. You will have learned a lot from this analysis I'm going to share with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe plus sharing this video if you feel this information is valuable for you. Now without wasting time, I've already opened my chart, so Shiba Inu, I'm going to start analyzing it from the higher time frame up to the lower time frame to see exactly where Shiba Inu is heading. Now at the moment I'm in my higher time frame, which is a weekly time frame. I'm going to start by spotting out my major market key levels to see where Shiba Inu is playing around all the levels which have been respected by this particular currency. So all this I'm trying to spot out the major market key levels where Shiba is respecting a lot of things. Now at the moment I can clearly see that Shiba Inu is in a downtrend. If you can clearly see, we have just lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. Now what does this mean? Remember, most of the currencies have been analyzing. You can clearly see that we are in a big downtrend. If I try to get my diagonal trend line of resistance trend line, you can clearly see that we have what we call a resistance trend line. Now on this resistance trend line, you can clearly see that we had our first touch, second touch, third touch. This is our fourth touch, which is indicating that there is a lot of selling pressure of Shiba Inu pushing the price down to the downside. And you can clearly see that we also have sort of like some continuation patterns, which are also one of the signals which are pushing Shiba Inu to the downside. Now let me first deal with this. If I try scrolling down to my daily time frame, I can see that on this particular level, this level back then it was acting like our major market structure level, which is a support level. Prices did not break this level, they came back. So this is the first time, second time, third time. Now the fourth time, the price which was May 8, 2022, this particular year, the price broke this certain support level, coming back, resisted it. Now the price broke all the way to the downside. Now when you're focusing on Shiba at the moment, Shiba Inu, you can clearly see we have a lot of sellers in the market, because if you will try bringing back our resistance trend line, you can clearly see that the price has been respecting this particular level for so many times. We have our first touch, we have our second touch, we have our third touch, and this was our fourth touch. Now all these touches, they are clearly indicating that whenever the price of Shiba Inu reaches on this particular trend line, we are always coming back, or prices are being going back to the downside, because on this particular level we always have sellers whereby they are creating a lot of selling pressure, which is more than that for the buyers. Now that is what I'm trying to explain. That at the moment, if you are looking to invest money in Shiba Inu token, you must be so cautious, because at the moment Shiba Inu is still dropping. If you try bring our support trend line, you can clearly see that before you buy Shiba Inu, wait for the price either to drop down till it reaches, wait for the price to drop all down till it reaches this particular level. So after Shiba Inu dropping to this level, we expect it to bounce back, coming back to this particular resistance, or breaking it, pushing the price to the downside all the way back to the price of 0.000069. Now all these are our anticipation about Shiba Inu, because currently we can see Shiba Inu is in a big downtrend. Now we had an impulse correction move. Anytime we are expecting Shiba Inu to have another impulse move, shooting the price down to the downside, because first we are in a deep downtrend. Secondly, Shiba Inu retested our resistance level, which I was trying to show you here. We have our resistance trending, so Shiba Inu has gained a lot of momentum from this resistance trending. So for those who would like to buy or invest in money in Shiba Inu, you must first watch this video before you buy and invest in your money, because we have told you that this is not the right time to buy Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is still dropping massively. So if you have learned a lot of information from this particular video, don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this information, because it's so valuable. We take a lot of time to make research or analyze this market for you guys, to make it simple for you. Now we'll meet in another video.